So something that is within you is being reflected outside of you, and it's never not a part of you. Okay. So when we're talking about the paradox, how what we do is we deal with both aspects of something that we might call the shadow, and then the part that's the light. Okay, so we have to balance both parts. Okay, so here's a phrase that we might use as far as Heka. So a lot of times people might say, man, I am afraid of of really starting this business. Okay, and they try to use affirmations to overcome that fear, but they never address the fear. So they might say something like,